Guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And here in this session, we are solving a very important and interesting puzzle from Amazon's interview. And puzzle is in front of you, right? Puzzle is very easy, and the credit of puzzle goes to Andre Taga. And the puzzle is like that. As you can also see, two poles are there. Suppose it is pole 1, and suppose this is pole 2, right? Then length of each pole is 50 meter. As you can directly you can able to see from the picture as well, right? From the diagram as well. And it has some constraints like a cable is attached with the top points of the poles in such a way that it is hanged in such a way that it do not touch the ground level, but it is above the ground level by 10 meter, right? So it is above to the ground level by 10 meter, and total length of the cable from here to here is 80 meter, right? Now we need to find the exact distance between these two poles, right? So how will you find it? What approach will you apply to find the exact distance between these two poles? You can also pause the video and try to find the answer at your own by taking pen and paper. And if you are come with the correct answer, if you are come with the any answer, then please comment so that it can motivate other students also to attempt the puzzle and prepare for their interviews, right? So if you are unable to find the answer, then we will solve this, right? Before solving this puzzle, I am requesting you to please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button, and please also like the video so that it will also motivate us to provide some more important interview questions for you, important video content for you, important current affairs and latest job notifications, important video lessons for you, so that you can also get aware with us whenever we want to update you, right, via this platform. So now just let's solve the puzzle. Basically, you all know that the condition of puzzle is still I am drawing the puzzle so that we can at least solve the puzzle, right? So suppose this is ground level and this is pole 1. Suppose this is pole 1 and suppose this is pole 2. Okay, this is pole 1 and suppose this is pole 2. So this is pole 1 and this is pole 2. Okay, and as you all know, one cable is attached in this manner, right? In this manner, one cable is attached from the top of these poles, and the length of this cable is 80 meter, right? Length of this cable is 80 meter, and we need to find exact distance between these two poles. Let the distance is x. Let the distance between these two poles is x. Okay, now we need to find exact distance between these two poles. So, and this distance is given to us as a 10 meter, as you all know, and this distance of poles are 50 meter, and this is also 50 meter. The complete distance of this poles from the ground level, the complete distance from the ground level is 50 meter, right? Now we need to find the exact distance between these two poles. So how will you find? Any solution, any approach? So just observe this. Let me draw this. Suppose I am drawing this line from here to here because I need to find the distance, this distance, isn't it? So can I say distance? Can I say can I say distance from, suppose this is point P and this is Q. So the distance between P and Q is 40 meter. Can I say? Because total distance from, suppose this is L. So total distance from L to Q is 50 meter, as you can see here, isn't it? So the distance between this P and Q is 40 meter, and the total length of cable, as you can see from here to here, is 80 meter. So as we have draw this line in the from the midwhile of the cable, so I can say that this length of the cable, it is also 40 meter. Can I say it or not? Right? So you can observe one thing clearly here, that this length is also 40 meter and this length is also 40 meter, isn't it? If it is so, and total length of the pole is 50 meter and this length is 10 meter, then can you come with one conclusion here? What? That this cable is directly, suppose this is the pole and this is pole, then suppose I am drawing cable with, suppose, this color, right? So cable is like that, 40 meter from here and again 40 meter to here, so total length of the cable is now 80 meter. It is directly hanged vertically and the remaining distance is 10 meter, because this is also 40 and this is also 40, isn't it? So how can it be possible? Suppose if I am stretching the string, suppose I am stretching the string, then this string will become, if this string will become, then it should be lesser than 40. And if it will lesser than 40, then how can a diagonal be lesser than 40? How can a diagonal be lesser than 40? Because if you will see here, it is a right angle triangle. And if you will stretch this cable, suppose I am stretching this cable this side, I am stretching this cable this side, then after stretching, it would become lesser than 40 now, because it is 40, so it would become lesser than 40. And if it would become lesser than 40, then Pythagoras theorem will get fail. So this cable is basically hanged in this manner, directly vertical, 40 meter in that manner and again 40 meter in that manner, and this length is 10 meter. So the distance between these two poles is 0. Are you getting it or not? Let it understand once again. Two poles are there. Total length, suppose if this I am drawing, suppose you can understand it like that. Two poles are there. This is the cable, and this is the 40 meter, this is 40 meter, and this is 10 meter, this is 10 meter, and this is 40 meter, right? So basically, by stretching the cable to this and by stretching cable to this will become 40, this will become 40, and total will become 80, and the remaining, the downside distance will be 10 meter, isn't it? So the distance between these two poles is 0. I hope you got the approach. What I want to tell you, that if you will apply Pythagoras theorem, then it will get fail, na? Because if it will have somewhat other distance than 0, then our Pythagoras theorem will get fail. But Pythagoras theorem is universally true. You can't say that it will get fail. So the correct approach is that the cable is hanged in this manner. 40 meter downside, again 40 meter upside, 40 meter downside, again 40 meter upside. So the total length of cable is 80, and total, as you can say that these poles are of 50 meter length, so the remaining length from ground to this one is 10 meter. So the distance between these two poles is 0. So guys, this was the puzzle which was asked once in the Amazon's interview, and I hope that you have got the correct approach with us. Further, for getting such important puzzles, important and interesting puzzle from our side, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much guys. If you have any kind of queries or doubts, please comment and I will try to solve them. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.